Hey everyone, we got the BRK smoke alarm here. It's a FG200. Now you're going to see the inside of it. So let's go. I already have it open. Yeah, so. Oh look, there we go. We got the I believe that's the speaker. We got the chirp. We got the chirp alarm thingy. The siren. Got the connection thing to the siren. Believe right here it says 213-10311. It says caution, radioactive material. 9 volt. Is that a light? No. There's another brand of this, but it's the FG250 that comes with a light. This doesn't. Got the button pusher again. And actually the battery's out. Yeah. We gotta close it up here. Okay, now we're gonna see the back of it. There it is. It says FG200. How many volts does this? 2022 May 11th. This was built on May 11th, or it might got in the store on May 11th, 2022. El Paso, Texas. BRK brands. ETL. Single station smoke alarm made in Mexico. Yeah. Use only batteries. Specified use of a different battery may have a detrimental effect on alarm operation. Residential use test alarm weekly. Yeah, so that's all.